Hard water is like sandpaper flowing through your house every day. You just don't hear the damage until it's done. Here's what it actually does to your home. Number 1. Narrowing your pipes every day. Hard water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium that never fully leave your system. As it flows, it leaves mineral scale inside pipes, around bends, and at joints. Over time, that buildup reduces the internal diameter of your plumbing, which forces pressure drops, weakens flow, and forces your system to work harder. Think of it like plaque building inside arteries. The pipe still exists, but it can't perform. Eventually, it leaks form or even fails early. Not from age, but from restriction. Number 2. Burning money through your water heater. Pipes aren't the only thing hard water damages in your house. It settles at the bottom of your water heater as sediment, which acts like insulation. This forces the heater to run longer, use more energy, and wear out faster. If it continues, you might need a new water heater before next Christmas. Number 3. Your home never feels truly clean. If you have hard water in your house, then you must have experienced this. You thoroughly clean your house, appliances, dishes, and even yourself, but nothing feels truly clean. That happens because hard water reacts with soap and creates residue. The more soap you use, the worse the results get. Number 4. Failing fixtures. If hard water leaves white buildup on your faucets, imagine what it's doing where you can't see. Minerals inside hard water stick to the insides of your faucets, showerheads, and seals, turning precision components into sand-filled mechanisms. Nothing fails instantly. They just stop working properly. If you continue using it, you'll need faucet replacements sooner or later. Hard water doesn't announce itself with a flood or a bang. It slowly coats and degrades everything it touches. Most Canadian homeowners don't realize the damage until replacements start stacking up. So, which of these signs have you noticed in your house? Comment below.